Hey Cub fans, just over here at the Curse Burner and feasting on some Redbird. Jake Arrieta. Cub fans, Jake is now 9-0, and I know what you card fans are thinking. Hey, we got to Jake. Hey, yeah, you did. You got him to 9-0. We took 2 or 3 from St. Louis. St. Louis, I'll tell my hat. You battled back today. It was fireworks going on down there in St. Louis. 9-8 was the end. What? Oh, Chris Kaboom Bryant, 3-run shot. Anyway, tremendous win. Now we take a day off, and for the Memorial Day weekend, them old Philadelphia Phillies are coming into town, and they're not to be taken lightly. So, 31 wins. Let's go Cubs. Day off, and let's beat the Phils.